At this moment, I have the pleasure to invite the director of Hayaat Foundation on one space and another space, Hayaat School Complex. There are so many schools beneath it. And she's one of the few who told herself that from the Zogo community where I'm growing, it is not true that a woman's best place for the future is kitchen. Her parents also came to agreement that, yes, indeed, there is no part in the Quran or any verse or any quotation in the Hadith that says that a woman should not acquire knowledge. Beside all the marginalization, all the talk, so they say, yes, I will acquire knowledge. From her basic, she moved to Infantiman in Central Region. From there, she came to University of Ghana to do the degree. She continued to do the master's. She has 2 master's degrees. Post-diploma in education and that of MPhil in specializing in clinical psychology. She is saying if we are counting the number of women with doctorate degree, it's hard to come by as at that time. So she will also wake up once again and go for doctorate degree. Alhamdulillah, she graduated with PhD in community development and NGO management. And it is not surprised that she has been able to work single-handedly with the facility that we have over here. And inshallah, when we are done, we'll plead and take all of you to a tour to see the work first phase that has been done, the ongoing second phase, and you come to terms that, yes, indeed, she has indeed merit an award by people like you sitting over here, not by any person outside. At this moment, without takbir, let me welcome Dr. Nasiba Tahir.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله الحمد لله الذي خلق الإنسان وعلمه البيان ثم الصلاة والسلام على رسول الله أما بعد السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. Mr. Chairman, our distinguished guests and speakers, it is an honor to welcome you all to Hayaat School Complex. We are saying Hayaat School Complex now because of the expansion of the second phase, which is giving us the opportunity to house basic school as well. And I believe that, inshallah, very soon, when we are introducing ourselves, we will say, you are welcome to Hayaat University College, inshallah. I am Dr. Nasiba Tahir, the director of this complex. And it is my pleasure to welcome you all to this vacation school camp. We are thrilled to have you on board. Firstly, I would like to express my gratitude to our esteemed guests, parents, and guardians for entrusting us with their precious ones. We promise to provide a safe, engaging, and thought-provoking experience throughout their stay on campus. To our campus, we are excited to have you here. This camp is designed to be fun and interactive, for you to learn, grow, and make new friends. Our team of dedicated facilitators, mentors, volunteers are committed to ensuring that you have an unforgettable experience. At Hayaat School Vacation Camp, we aim to inspire creativity, foster teamwork, develop new skills. We have an exciting lineup of activities, including STEM workshop, arts, crafts, sports, and literary sessions. I encourage you all to embrace this new opportunity with an open heart and mind. Let us work together to make this camp a memorable one. Thank you. And let me tell you that the adventure has just begun. To all those who are doubting whether the camp was coming on or not, I know that by the close of the day, you know that the camp has actually started. And we hope that the other ones who are at home and yet to join us will also join us to be part of this wonderful discovery and transformation. Jazakumullahu khairan. May Allah splendidly continue to bless us all. Thank you very much.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.